can a little old switch be? Oh, where can it be? I've collected a lot of tanks, as you well know. But this one here is kind of a fun one too. So we're just going to go ahead and just unbox it. Alright, what we have tonight, before we get too carried away, let's show you what we got here. We got a Russian T-90 tank. Okay, Russian T-90. I've been studying up a little bit on them. They've built about 3,200 of these since 1992 till present. This also is probably the main tank that Russian sells. They sell them to a lot of different people, and they've built about 3,200 of them so far, which is a lot of tanks. They go back in 1999 when they started, or 92 when they started selling. They're selling for 2.5 million. Now the going price on is about 4.5 million. Then this is also one of the main tanks that they used in Desert Storm against the U.S. This and the T-72. Now this is basically just a hopped up T-72. First of all, great box. Here's a picture of the tank. This tells us what's in the bank and what variation this is. I think this is a pretty much just a, I didn't pay a lot for this tank, so I don't think it's has metal gears. I think it's just a standard version, plastic gears, the whole deal. So we'll go ahead and unbox this. Oh, it's got one of these mini freaking batteries in it. Why does it have one of these small batteries? Shouldn't have a small battery. Should have a good sized battery. Okay, here's some more, lots of decorations on this thing. This means that it's going to take all night to put the decorations on. So guess what, sport fans, we are not going to do that tonight, that's for sure. 3 bundles of decorations. Okay, what else we got in here? Okay, here's our charger. Don't need those. I've got all better chargers now. Here's the all-important apple. That's the IR apple. So here's the BBs. I've got literally 10 billion BBs, but I did something kind of fun. I went and bought these precision ones. And the reason I bought these is because the yellow ones kind of got jammed up once in a while, and they didn't shoot. These shoot half again farther than the yellow ones. Here's the smoke. This is glycerin stuff for the smoke generator. And here we go. This is always the exciting. Oh my gosh, that thing's huge. Look how beautiful that is. It's all in plastic. That is just a great looking tank. What a big freaking tank. It's got a huge barrel on it. Oh, it's got a great suspension. See how the suspension works? Like, no rocks or curbs or anything like that. That's great. Well, that's got the longest freaking gun on it. Look at the size of that gun on that thing. Let's compare it to the T-72. You know, they look an awful lot alike. Look at that, they're the same freaking size. Almost identical. So when they said this is just a super hopped up T-72, I guess they just put new guts in it and improved it. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, maybe. That's kind of their attitude. These almost look like they're the same mold. The only difference is the turret's different. But I bet you dollars to donuts that the lower holes are the same. Nah, they're different. This has got a V-wedge up here. That's all different. Like I said, the T-72s and the T-90s were used a lot in the Iraqi war. In fact, I saw a video where the Abrams, or the Challengers, I think, from the British took on one, and they took out like 33 T-72s and didn't lose one tank. Like 11 Challengers took out 2. A lot of them, they kind of caught them with their pants down. They caught it, but they were taking them out like like 4,000 yards or some ridiculous amount. The firepower of those things are just crazy. But how do you these are basically just an updated 90s tank, and those new NATO tanks like the Challengers and the Abrams and the Leopards and stuff are just They're crazy. You won't believe this. I heard it all over for this thing. The instructions didn't say anything. And I looked and looked and looked. And finally, right back here, hidden, is the on and off switch. Can you believe that? So let's turn it on, see what happens. Yeah, look at that. Yay! Turn it on. Then we hit the... Yay! That's a noisy sucker, isn't it? Sounds like the smoke's on. I haven't seen any smoke yet, but I'm not too shook up about the smoke. So far, it started. That's a good thing. So let's check the barrel. Here's where the machine gun is, right up here. Can you see that? Whoa! See the barrel go up? So far, what do we know? We know that the machine gun is working, pea shooter is working, sound's working. Now for the test. We'll go like this first and creep forward. Oh, look at that. Proportional control. It's a beautiful thing. All right, I think it's good. What do you guys think? Let me know. What do you guys think on this thing? I think it's a wonderful tank. Yeah, whoa. That sounded like a tank to me. All right, this is the Russian T-90 main battle tank. Okay, I'm going to bed. Thank you. See ya. Subscribe, damn it. Bye. Well, that's the ugliest baby I've ever seen. Bless his heart. Or, boy, you're the dumbest ass I've ever met. Bless your heart. You know, you kind of just try to... But who likes to look at instructions? Not I, said the blind mole in the tunnel. Where, oh, where can a little on switch be? Oh, where can it be?